Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add audio to Google Slides. First, of course, you have to open your Google Slides. Where can you see that? You just have to go to your Google account and look for slides. So this is what it looks like. I created this presentation earlier. Now, in order for you to insert or add audio, you must first create a folder on the same drive and upload your audio here. So all you have to do is to tap this file folder and then look for that audio. Okay, click and then open and wait as it is uploading. So you can go back to your presentation, and as you can see, the files are uploaded already. Now go to insert and then look for audio. Tap this one. Of course, you have options on how to insert your audio, but to make it easier, you just have to tap My Drive, tap Audio, and then click Insert. As you can see, you have to wait for a few seconds, and then the music icon will appear here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So let's listen to the audio if you want. So if we click the audio icon, you can see here options if you want to adjust or change something. We have here audio playback. You can also adjust the volume of the audio here. And below we have here hide icon. And we have also, and you can also loop your audio if you want and explore for more options here. Okay. And then we have here below size and rotation. We have also here position. Also, you can click this recolor if you want. If you want to change the color, just tap the color here. Adjustment. Okay, for opacity, of course, if you drag it here, you cannot see the icon anymore. Also, brightness and contrast. But if you want to reset everything, tap reset. Also, this drop shadow and reflection. So you just have to adjust everything here. And that's how easy it is to add audio to Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.